Now, since fixing symmetry using LightWave scripts can take a very, very long time, like up to 10 minutes at least, I thought of this method, and I showed it earlier, but I thought I'd give it a go again. So what we do is we simply just take this stuff here, make sure, by the way, that this is on, resting on the X, exactly on the X. Copy that to a new layer and we'll mirror it. So now we have a perfect mirror, and this layer here does not have a perfect mirror. So we're going to fix that using this background object. So put that in the background, the fixed one, and use heat shrink 100%, and it's fixed. So now I can, for example, use the plugin that is called Mirror Morph Maps. By the way, before I do that, very important, I need to deactivate the morph before I run that plugin. But anyway, so now that we have perfect symmetry, we can run that plugin. And from the plus X to the minus X right here. So hit OK, and that should be all right. So again, the reason for doing this that way, fixing symmetry that way, is because it's much faster than running LightWave scripts. You can see, so pretty much just real time instead of having to wait 10 minutes. The scripts could still be useful for less dense objects though.